Right then, let's have a proper chat. Getting on a motorbike for the first time is a mega feeling. It's like nothing else on this planet. You've got the wind, you've got the noise, you've got the road all to yourself. It's pure freedom, that is. But here's the thing, and you need to listen up. That freedom comes with a bit of a warning label. A lot of new riders have a spill, and it's not because they were trying to be the next big racer. It's because of simple little mistakes. This isn't about scaring you off your bike. I want you to enjoy every single mile. We're going through 10 common slip-ups, why they happen, and a straight way to fix them. I see it all the time. New bike, big smiles, normal clothes, jeans, thin jacket, trainers. Tarmac doesn't care if it's a quick shop run or a race course. If you come off, it's going to hurt and it's going to scrape. Jeans last about half a second. Proper gear feels expensive, so people put it off. I'll be careful. A crash doesn't wait for payday. Promise yourself, never ride without proper gear. Helmet, motorcycle jacket with elbow, shoulder, and back armor. Reinforced trousers, wrist-length gloves, boots over the ankle. It's your uniform, like a hard hat on sight. All the gear, all the time. Your lid, one job, a big one. Many riders pick by looks, not protection. Open face leaves your chin and face exposed. The chin is often first to hit. If it wobbles, it's too big. It can shift or come off. Go to a proper shop, get measured, try different brands. Heads have different shapes. A quality full face is best for most. Check the safety labels, strap it, try to roll it off. It should stay put. One-hit wonder. Replace after any impact. Even if it looks fine, the foam is done. Snug like a firm handshake for your head. Your brakes are your best friends if you treat them right. Grab a handful, lock the front, and you're likely going down. Cause panic and lack of practice. Don't grab, squeeze. Think squeezing a lemon, not snapping a twig. Load the tire, then add pressure. A little rear keeps it stable. Find a big, empty car park. Mark a spot. Practice from low speeds. Build up. Feel the bike. Muscle memory turns panic into control. It's proper important. Mistake 4, staring at the trouble. Target fixation. You go where you look. Our brain locks on the threat. Bad on a bike. Spot it, acknowledge it, then look where you want to go. Shift your eyes to the escape route. Your hands will follow your eyes. Do it even when there's no danger. Make it automatic. Eyes up, head on a swivel. The further you look, the more time you have. Always hunt the safe path. Train your brain to do it when it matters. Speed is brilliant, but easy to overdo for your skill or the road. Suddenly the corner arrives too fast. Weather and surface mean the safe speed is often much lower than the sign. If your shoulders are by your ears, back it off. Rule: slow in, fast out. Do your braking upright and straight. Then hold a steady or gently increasing throttle. Initiate the lean with a gentle press, countersteering. As the exit appears, roll on. Practice slow circles and figure eights. Clutch, throttle, rear brake. Master slow speed control, and every corner on the road gets easier. So much to think about up front. It's easy to forget what's behind and beside you. On a bike, you're often invisible. Mirrors show part of the picture. Blind spots hide cars. Build the habit. Mirror, signal, quick head check. Use all 3 lane positions. Left, middle, right. Approaching a right side junction, move left to be seen and add space. Position yourself where drivers see you, in the mirrors, not the blind spot. Create a space cushion, at least 2 seconds, more when wet. Stay in gear, offset, and keep an exit if the car behind doesn't stop. Always be thinking, where can I go? A few weeks in, a few hundred miles, no scares, you feel like a pro. Confidence outpacing skill is dangerous. You don't know what you don't know. Build slowly. Stick to low traffic roads you know. Add challenges one by one. Get professional training. Coaches spot bad habits early. Keep a student mindset. There's always more to learn. The road isn't a racetrack. You've nothing to prove. You can ride well, but if the bike's not right, it can let you down. Low front pressure makes steering vague and lengthens stops. A loose, dry chain can come off and lock the rear. Cause not knowing what to check or thinking it's too hard. Learn a quick pre-ride check. T-clocks, tires and wheels, controls, lights and electrics, oil and other fluids, chassis and chain, stands. Make it a non-negotiable ritual. Find a problem? Don't ride it. Get it fixed and learn the basics. So, there you have it. 10 common mistakes. Each is a piece of a bigger puzzle. Most crashes are the end of simple errors. Good news, they're fixable. Build good habits from day one. Wear the right kit. Check your bike. Be smooth. Look where you want to go. Give yourself space. Manage speed. Own your lane. Practice until it's second nature. Be patient and humble. Respect your limits and your machine. Keep learning and practicing. Ride smart. Look after yourself and enjoy the road. Proper job.